Hi loves, it's just aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we have another Mina Baie unboxing. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, continue watching this video. Hi loves, it's just aka Designer Mama, and here on my channel we cover all things designer from contemporary all the way up to luxury with a touch of lifestyle and fashion. So if that sounds like you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into the video. So lately guys, I've really been into Mina Baie. Now it's a woman-owned brand. I'm loving everything they dishing out. I'm enjoying the quality. I do think they are affordable and a great alternative to some of the other brands outside, you know, in the luxury world. I know things are a little crazy right now. So if you're looking into other brands to shop for some, you know, SOGs, wallets, pouches, purses, bags, I suggest checking out Mina Baie. Again, not sponsored, although you guys know what I'm gonna say. Jenna, I would love to work with you. I love your brand. I'm gonna talk it out into the universe. Hold on. Okay, now let's get into this unboxing. They have a lot of like book bags, but what I love about their bags is that it could be used for travel, it could be used as a work bag, it could be used as, of course, a diaper bag, a toddler bag, whatever you want. I just feel like you can just buy one bag and it'll go through all the transitions with you, which is what I love about this brand. Like, they thought about it all. This is how it comes. It's so beautifully packaged. I got the MB for the Mina Baie. Let's start off with the small leather good. So this is going to be the Lijah Wallet. It's beautiful. Guys, literally look how slim this is. This is so beautiful, okay? Like, it has a pocket in the front. Again, light colors on the inside, which is one thing that I love about their brand. It doesn't matter what color is on the outside. All the interior is really light. So I really like that. There's a pocket on the back. Slits for cards. You can fit 9 cards in here, and it even has one big insert. This should fit cash very easily, flat. It fits perfect size. And then I also picked up a mini bag from them. So what I love about their bags is they either come in full size, midi, which is their medium size versions, and a mini bag. So each bag, if you like the design, you can get it in different sizes. And this brand, I do think it's kind of picking up traction because a lot of their bags keep getting, or items keep getting like sold out, and then it's like sold out for months. And this is called the Mini Stevie in Nylon. And what I also love about their bags is a lot of their bags could be worn so many different ways. So let's just open it up. So you have one pocket, and I'm 5'1" again for reference, so if you kind of want to see it against me, I still think it's decent size. It doesn't feel overwhelming to my body. So I believe all their bags come with like this little key insert so you could attach your keys. The inside, let's bring it a little closer. As you can see, it has 2 pockets right here. Then on the inside, oh, and it's so cute. Look, it has like little ears. And there's magnets on the side. If you've watched my other Mina Baie video, I mentioned that they're known for like having really great quality magnets. Like you see, just, it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful design as well. Again, with her book bags, I like that they could be worn, even though it's a book bag, you could wear it so many different ways, and I'm going to show you guys. But first, on the inside, so these are the 3 straps that it comes with. The inside, look how beautiful and spacious that is. I'm actually pretty surprised for a mini bag. I thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller, so I was a little worried because like, oh, can I not fit what I need? But now that I have it in person, it's stunning, but it's also very spacious. So on the back portion, you have a zipper pocket and decent size. Then you have 2 pocket, oh no, actually this is 1 big pocket, which is pretty steep. Obviously 1 big open space. Each side there is another pocket And then if I flip it over to the front portion, so the front of the bag, it does come with another slip pocket. This one again is pretty decent size, and 2 pockets right here. So in total you have 2 zippered pockets on each side, one on each side, 5 pockets here, and then 1 big open space. So I do think it's pretty spacious, and I just love that this has like leather, even though it's a nylon bag, which again should be easy for cleaning. I like that it does have some leather detailing. You can actually wear it as like a purse if you wanted to, and I feel like it kind of turns into like this hobo style bag. So again, this is it up close. It's so beautiful. Let me give you a 360 view on it. And then this is also adjustable, so you can make it longer. So if you did want to carry it crossbody, you definitely could. But if you wanted to, let's just say you wanted to just hold it as a purse, it kind of gives it like this little hobo feel to it. Again, I could adjust this, make it shorter. If I wanted to just hold it, adjust this for you guys. So you can see, I think it hits me at a perfect spot if I wanted to wear it. I mean, it could go down a little bit more, but just for kind of reference, there's still some more space. It could go down, I think, all the way down. So if you wanted to leave it attached, you could. And then these are the backpack straps. So if you wanted to wear it as a backpack, you could. Wait, actually, guys, well, you could use it like that, but this is actually the backpack straps. So, but I mean, it still works. You could still put it on, obviously, as you just saw me. Yeah, this is the strap. So this one is not adjustable, and it still hits me at a pretty nice spot. Kind of like this, and it feels super lightweight. I probably still would though bring it. I still have space to bring it up a little bit more, so I probably will. That is it for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.